All right, you can see here we've got a bucket of water, towel to protect the floor, and two tubes of caulking, which means we are getting ready to put some finishing touches on the molding. I'm actually going to go through and caulk all of the molding first, all the way around, and coming back through here. We'll get in the closet eventually also. I got to move all that stuff out. And then I'm going to go back through and put the spackling on the nail holes that are in the molding also. We'll let all that dry overnight, and then, or a couple of hours rather, and then we will go back through, sand all that down, and paint it. So we will be very close to getting all this done here in the next day or so. You can see in the interim, we've put some nice blackout curtains here. These are actually a flower pattern, which go really nice with this room, but on the back side, there's a blackout panel. Makes it nice and dark in here when you try and sleep. But that's got to come down also because I got to get caulking around the window. But everything's going to come together pretty nice on that. So we will give you an update here shortly. All right, I have finished, in the bonus room at least, the main part, the caulking and filling in the nail holes with that spackling. And it's really coming together nice. You can see that the white is really starting to blend in with the gray walls, and it's going to look fantastic when it is completed and finished with the final coat of paint. The only thing I didn't get to yet is this closet, which I'm going to do probably in the next day or so. Not a big deal, that'll go really quick because I need to get everything out, and then I'm going to switch gears a little bit here. I'm going to be installing these two fans in the ceiling up above to get those out of the way and just to continue on while I have momentum. So we will probably make a different video about those, but we'll cover that shortly, and we're going to continue on. So we will give you another update here shortly.